right, good morning. Let's see here. Can somebody confirm that the audio is good for me? Probably won't be doing as much talking this morning. As everybody's asleep, but let me see here. How's it going, Darcy? Good morning, Katie. I am on hotel Wi-Fi, so we could have some lag. Nice beyond. So we swept the Asia low already. We had a nice inversion here. But of course, I didn't take that. Martin, good morning. Canada, nice. So we'll kind of see what happens here at open. I'm expecting higher prices, but we never know. Komodo, it's a hit and miss. I mean, it's fine. It really just depends. I mean, some days it's okay, some days it's not. It's just kind of how it goes. We hope it's not too painful. $91.84. Let's just see. Looking for the 210 fair value gap to inverse, but sitting on your hands. 5 minute. So where are you at? You're looking over maybe here. Yeah, I mean the thing is we already swept the Asia low, right? We already took this wick here. It's a nice pool of liquidity. We still could go lower. We do have these targets down here, but I'm feeling like usually price likes to take out one side and then move to the other, but we don't always get that. So really just depends. I expect higher prices, but we may not get that. Sitting in along from 276, Martin. Yeah, that's literally kind of your perfect entry there. Yep. Target should be 333. There. VWAP up there at 303, looks like. This morning I am a little bit handcuffed in that I'm not watching both the ES and the Nasdaq. One lot. I mean, it depends, Komodo. If you have the ability to trade micros, then micros is the way to go. unfortunately, with this express funded accounts, since it's not balanced, since it's not a 1-to-1 ratio for me, I kind of am almost forced to trade minis too. I don't know. I like to trade 2 minis. I don't like the drawdown. I don't like how risky it is. But so if you're on Apex or something, then one is more than enough. But I could make it work with 2 micros. It's just you're not going to get there very quickly. But you could do it. It is possible. Funny story, I actually left my microphone stand at home. So I'm holding my microphone, which is ridiculous, but that's what we're doing. Let me just see here. Yeah, I would like to see the ES, but here we go. No real push or anything here at open. No push. I'm just watching here. I like the structure of this. This would have been a great long. I love the look of this, but just not much we can do about it now. I could just jump in, but so we'll see. So just waiting to see if we get no Komodo. That certainly could be the case. I'm going to go ahead and just jump in long one here. I'll probably put the stop at break even somewhere around there, 301 if we get it. But yeah, it's possible for it only to work during New York. That's for sure possible. For sure possible. But typically, if it works during one, it probably works during the other as well. Let's see here. This thing might Hmm. It might want one more sweep lower. But let's see what happens. We'll be trading the New York as well, but it'll be very short stream, probably like an hour, hour and a half at most. If that, we shall see. Not really watching the ES here, so I don't really know what it's doing. Where's the VWAP? It looks like the VWAP is up there at 302. That's the only problem. I think I got my break-even stop level kind of at the VWAP there. What's up, Muhammad? Probably gonna take us out here. Maybe one more manipulation leg lower there. I don't know why my countdown timer's not working. It's weird. Dude, countdown timer is not working. You've decided to have 4 types of entry types. It does seem like a lot, Komodo, but I mean, as long as you can manage it. Well, what's up, Joey? Well, we'll just see here. Looking like it wants to resweep the low again. So we'll kind of wait here and see what we get. I'm not sure. It looks like it wants to sweep that low. I really don't know what's going on with this. When does this candle close? It shouldn't have 5 more minutes on it. We'll just see. I don't know. We'll push back up here. Just trying to wait and see here what happens. Okay, so I'm going to watch the 1 minute here. If we close back above, we'll retake the long. But this gap looks like it's going to hold, then we might short back to the lows. We'll just see. I do like that the 5 minute closed below. All right, let's go ahead and take it. That's so weird. How did I get filled so low there? What is going on here? I know I marked it in, but holy cow, 3 points? I don't know. Probably should have waited. See if this thing, because this inverses, I think it's going to go higher, but we closed below on the 5 minute. We put in a higher low, so I don't love the look of the higher low, but let's just see what happens. I probably should limit order in since we're in London. I don't know. I don't usually think about it. That was a pretty bad fill right there. I suppose if this loses, it's just my own fault because it's not really my model. And the first trade was kind of just like a FOMO trade. So we shall see. We shall see. So we'll just see what happens here. We're in it now, so let's just wait and see. We'll break even, stop it once it gets back below this swing here. That'll take out our first target, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, we'll see beyond. It's just one of those things. I mean, like if this closes back above here on the 1 minute, then that's going to be a good long entry, and I won't be able to take it. So, but we'll see. Good morning, Jamal. Good morning. Certainly looking like it wants to go higher at this point. Yeah, that's annoying. That is annoying. No, it doesn't Komodo. That just comes with time, but I mean, this is annoying. All right, well, we'll take it. But we don't even really have enough room to take this trade, so. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see here. Let me see here. So we'll see if it wants to push here. Right now, it's just kind of killing me in both direction. Certainly taking too many trades here. What is this? See if it can run or not. A little bit of annoyed here. Like I said, I don't even have enough room for this thing to close back below. If this trade doesn't work, we will have to probably switch over to micros and kind of try to dig our way out of this. On not today, multiple days, which will be fine, but it's not what we want to do. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, we do appreciate it. I don't know if you guys saw Bulenox came back with the 90% off through the end of the month. Apex extended the 80% off as well. So keep that in mind. My Funded Futures still has the $70 all-in account through the end of the week with no activation fee. Link in the description for those, and obviously Topstep as well. Not looking good. No. There you go. It took us out. So we closed below on the 5. Now it's acting like it wants to go and make a new low here. Now what's going on? Is anybody else having this? I don't want to refresh, but I guess we can. Let's get this other account open. So we hit the daily loss limit there on that one. Lovely. Might take it a second to load here. Need to pull the ES up here. I need to see what's going on with it. I feel like trading like I'm naked over here. Jumping in and jumping out. That's the way you lose money. As we know. So that's the thing. Like this trade probably works, but just doesn't have enough room there to allow it to work. Even taking smaller size. May have to just leave this the same color. So looking like it wants to push. So it's not, just kind of staying in a range here so far since open. I don't want to just enter again. I want to wait and see. So we'll see what happens here. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know why it didn't. I came into the day thinking longs were the play, and then I took I don't know, took a scalp short, or tried to take a scalp long, didn't work. Then we kind of forced a short just off momentum, using this gap here, which is not something I usually would do. Close back above this would be something I would normally take, but you know, what can you do? What can you do? It's just bad. It's bad. The mad scalper, 5-minute range with a nice wick. Yeah. Makes it tough. So I'm going to sit on my hands for a few minutes here. We might look for another entry. We'll see. Yeah, I think the long still makes sense, but the only thing I don't like is that we did not didn't resweep this, but I didn't really have to. We did sweep some liquidity on the way back down. Earthquake in Taiwan. Uh-oh. That's interesting, Moon Tree. All right, we're going to try it one more time here. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, I guess that could be. I don't usually check the news in London, I guess. Probably should. I smell food. CPI, EU CPIs today. We shall see. It's all we can do. very, very choppy so far. Can you add in? Yes, Joey. You can, you can. I don't know. I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know why, but all right. Looks like it wants to close back below here. Be kind of dirty if it does. All right, I'm going to move my stop to this swing now. If it makes a new low here, we just want to be out. Yeah. You're right, Mad Scalper. Unfortunately, we're doing the opposite. All right, took me out there. What do we lose there? What do we lose? $300, I think. Yeah, 285. So yeah, this thing is just yeah. It's just being dirty. Dirty, dirty. We're not reading it well. Not reading it well. I mean, it closed below by 2 ticks. It's not anything crazy, but I think that's kind of a sign that it's going to go lower there. Closing back above, closing back below. Just not great. I'm going to open an ES chart. So what is ES doing? I have no idea. I mean, ES. Yeah, I mean, it's a similar structure on the ES. Doesn't look too crazy. There's like no SMT or anything. I don't know. It's weird. Alright, well, obviously I'm not seeing it well, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end it there. We'll be back for the New York session. Yeah, makes sense, Bad Scalper. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in New York.